Estate planning isn't just paperwork. It's the blueprint for protecting your family's future. Yet one wrong move can wipe out generations of wealth, leaving conflict, taxes, and lost opportunities in its wake. In this video, we'll reveal the most common estate planning mistakes families make, why they happen, and how to avoid them. Whether you're just starting to plan or thinking you're already covered, understanding these pitfalls could mean the difference between preserving your legacy or losing it. Don't let simple mistakes destroy everything you've worked for. Today we will talk about estate planning mistakes that destroy family wealth. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Ignoring the need for a will. One of the most common estate planning mistakes is not creating a will. Without a clear directive, courts decide how assets are distributed, often leading to disputes among heirs. Ordinary families may assume verbal instructions or informal arrangements are sufficient, but these often fail under legal scrutiny. Wealthy families understand that a properly structured will ensures assets are distributed according to their wishes and minimizes conflicts. Ignoring this simple but critical step can lead to years of legal battles, diminished inheritance, and fractured family relationships. Creating a will is foundational to preserving family wealth and ensuring a smooth transition to the next generation. 2. Failing to use trusts effectively. Trusts are powerful tools for protecting assets, reducing taxes, and controlling wealth distribution. Many people fail to establish trusts, leaving assets exposed to probate, creditors, or poor management by heirs. Wealthy families often use revocable, irrevocable, or special-purpose trusts to ensure wealth preservation. Ordinary families who do not leverage trusts may unintentionally lose significant portions of their estate to taxes, legal fees, or mismanagement. Properly structured trusts allow control over timing, conditions, and allocation of wealth, safeguarding it for future generations. Failing to use trusts is a hidden trap that silently destroys potential generational wealth. 3. Neglecting tax planning. Estate taxes, inheritance taxes, and capital gains taxes can dramatically reduce the value of assets passed to heirs. Ordinary individuals often ignore these obligations or fail to plan for them, leaving heirs with unexpected burdens. Wealthy families implement strategies such as gifting, charitable donations, and tax-advantaged trusts to minimize liabilities. Ignoring tax implications can turn a lifetime of wealth into a fraction of its potential value. Estate planning without considering taxes undermines the ability to transfer wealth efficiently and can create financial strain for beneficiaries. Understanding and addressing tax planning is essential to ensure that family wealth is preserved rather than diminished upon transfer. 4. Overlooking beneficiary designations. Many people fail to update or correctly designate beneficiaries on retirement accounts, insurance policies, or investment accounts. These designations override wills, meaning assets may go to unintended individuals or even create legal disputes. Wealthy individuals regularly review and update beneficiary information to ensure alignment with overall estate plans. Ordinary families who neglect this detail risk asset misallocation, delays in inheritance, and unnecessary conflict. Keeping beneficiary designations current is a simple yet critical step that ensures wealth reaches the intended heirs and avoids unintended consequences that could destroy family wealth. 5. Lack of communication with family. Estate planning mistakes often stem from failing to communicate plans with heirs. Ambiguity creates misunderstandings, disputes, and resentment among family members. Wealthy families actively discuss estate plans, roles, and expectations, fostering transparency and preventing conflict. Ordinary individuals frequently avoid these conversations due to discomfort, assuming heirs will understand intentions. Silence, however, can lead to costly disputes, legal battles, and fractured relationships, reducing the value of the estate. Open communication ensures family alignment and protects wealth from being eroded by internal conflicts. 6. Concentrating wealth in a single asset. Many estates fail due to overconcentration in a single asset, such as a family business or property. If that asset underperforms, is mismanaged, or faces market fluctuations, heirs may inherit disproportionate risk. Wealthy families diversify holdings across investments, real estate, and other assets to mitigate potential loss. Ordinary families often rely heavily on one primary asset without planning for contingencies. Lack of diversification exposes the estate to unnecessary risk, potentially destroying accumulated wealth. Strategic allocation and asset diversification are essential for maintaining stability and passing on wealth successfully. 7. Failing to plan for incapacity. Estate planning is not only about death, it also involves preparing for incapacity. Ordinary individuals often fail to designate powers of attorney or healthcare proxies, leaving families without legal authority to manage finances or medical decisions. Wealthy families proactively set up durable powers of attorney, living wills, and healthcare directives to protect assets and ensure decision-making aligns with their wishes. Neglecting this step can result in financial mismanagement, prolonged legal proceedings, and emotional stress for family members, eroding wealth and creating unnecessary complications. Planning for incapacity is as critical as planning for inheritance. 8. Underestimating legal and administrative complexity. Estate administration involves legal processes, court approvals, and documentation that can be overwhelming. Ordinary families often underestimate the complexity, leading to delays, errors, or unnecessary fees. Wealthy families employ estate attorneys, accountants, and advisors to ensure smooth execution. Mistakes in documentation, missed deadlines, or incorrect filings can reduce asset value significantly. Understanding and preparing for administrative demands prevents avoidable losses and ensures wealth is transferred efficiently. Professional guidance is essential for navigating the complexities that can otherwise destroy family wealth. 9. Ignoring inflation and asset growth. Failing to account for inflation, market fluctuations, or asset growth can erode the real value of an estate. Ordinary individuals may plan for nominal values without considering long-term purchasing power or potential growth of assets. Wealthy families regularly review and adjust estate plans, ensuring that assets maintain or increase value over time. Ignoring these economic factors results in heirs receiving less value than anticipated, diminishing financial security. Proper planning includes strategies to preserve real wealth and capitalize on growth opportunities, protecting family assets from silent erosion over generations. 10. Not updating plans regularly. Finally, failing to update estate plans as circumstances change is a major reason wealth is lost. Life events such as marriages, divorces, births, deaths, or changes in asset values require adjustments to wills, trusts, and beneficiary designations. Wealthy families schedule regular reviews and make necessary updates to ensure alignment with current realities. Ordinary individuals often create plans once and neglect them, leaving the estate vulnerable to outdated provisions, legal complications, and unintended outcomes. Regularly reviewing and updating estate plans ensures that family wealth is preserved, protected, and transferred according to intent across generations. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.